Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to hang out with me today. If you are new here, welcome and happy spring to you. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that it's spring already, but we're going to kick it off the right way. We're going to hang out in my Passion Planner daily today and set up a very special spread for my Spring into Success. It's a little thing that I do for goals and productivity here on my channel and over in the Facebook group. And we are hitting the ground running with this spring stay in. So we're staying in for the next 4 days from Thursday, March 20th, all the way to Sunday. We are going to focus on success, getting after our goals, maybe do a little spring cleaning, no scrolling, no spending, and most importantly, making our own coffee. All right, you guys, I'm really excited for this. I have a number of goals myself that I want to focus on for the next 4 days, but you got to have a cute spread to do it. You can't get anything done unless you have the perfect planner spread. Okay, so much like how we set up this planner for my long weekends of writing, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're going to do that here again with a few more goals. I do want to keep all of my goals for the spring stay in and spring into success in this planner because this is where I focus on my writing, but also on my goals. So we're going to start with the spring stay in here all in one spread. We're going to decorate this up really cute with some spring stay in, spring vibes, and then we're going to fill it out with my goals and how I want to track it for the next 4 days. So I have these Girls Love Dogs stickers from Journalsay. These are like individual PET sort of raised texture stickers. They're called Lazy Season, and this is winter, I guess, because they have sweaters on. Where I live, you still need a sweater in the spring, and you definitely need a dog all year round. So we're still going to use some of these. Most of these girls have florals or daisies on their sweaters. They're very cute. I think that these are still perfect for spring. There's not too many in this package, so I probably am just going to use two of them and hoard the rest. And then maybe try to find some cute washi tape and other spring vibe stickers to go along with it. I'm going to start by putting some of this brown gingham across the top over the Space of Infinite Possibility. While I do want this to be spring vibes, I don't really want to go for lots of pinks and very colorful and floral. There'll probably be a few flowers on here, but for the most part, I'd like to keep this fairly neutral. There will be plenty of time to go full on spring pastel and all the colors and all the florals and bunny rabbits, and I'm not quite in the mood for that just yet. I think we'll start by picking our two girls and decide where we want to go from there. This is going to be such a tough choice. Oh my gosh, these are all so dang cute. They're so sweet. I really like this one, but I don't know that I want to bring in blue. Which one? Oh my gosh, you guys. I think I'm going with these two. What do we think? I love the florals on their sweaters. I love that they have different shoes and, of course, different dogs. This one's wearing black pants. This one's wearing jeans. I think it pulls in just enough variety that I can choose some other colors to go on here. I love them. We're going with this. So I haven't stuck them down just yet, but I am going to put some of this skinny washi down here. I'm not even sure what this is really. It's like torn paper, I think, just like a really skinny version of it. I'm not even sure where it's from. I like it though. Look how cute. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell, but these are glossy stickers, but they have like texture to them. Like there's texture in her hair and around. It's just so cute. So she's gonna go right down here in this bottom corner. And then I'm gonna put this one right up here. Just like that. I'm gonna have to trim off a little bit of her sweater, but that's okay. So normally I would track my word count in this box over here for all the days. But I think I'm going to track it somewhere else on the page, maybe make some boxes over here. But yeah, we'll move things around and still make it really cute and functional at the same time. I'm going to put some more of that washi tape right along here. I'm going to cover up where it says self-maintenance because really this whole entire spread is going to be self-maintenance. Shoot, let me lift up her feet. Excuse you. Grandma's coming by to vacuum. Lift your feet. Okay, I'm going to go into my women's empowerment sticker book, and I want to choose a washi strip to go up here as well that would match with this spread. That green is really cute. There's some dark green in her sweater, but let's see what our other choices are. Oh, that one's cute too. This match, well, not quite. I do kind of, and I think we'll use some of these stickers too, like the investing in myself. That one's really good. Is this the same thing? No, the other one was dots, right? Yeah. Oh, oh, look at these. We might have to use these on here too. This would kind of disappear on here though, so I think maybe I'll go with the green and use those other ones somewhere else. Are these a better green? These are a better, oh, these. You guys, which one? Which one do I do? Okay, what if I do the green down here to cover up the hourly and I do the florals up here? Yeah? Or do the florals? Hang on, be right back. Which one are we feeling, you guys? There's florals or the green. Or, oh, I kind of really like this. I think this is super cute. I'm not trying super hard to stick it down. Yeah, I'm gonna do this like this. Ah, that's so cute. This doesn't reach all the way to the bottom, but that's okay. I can definitely cover that up with a sticker. Let's just go with, I got this. Cute. Okay, now I'm gonna search through my many, I'm not gonna make you guys watch this, my so many PET cutesy stickers that I have that I haven't been using because it's a stay-in, you know? I think we're gonna get some cute coffee stickers and some cute little teddy bear stickers, maybe a bunny rabbit, some fries. We can make homemade fries. I just want it to be really fun and cute and motivating. I'm going to keep coming back to it to check off my goals as I work through them over the next 4 days. So I just want to make it really, really fun. You guys, there were 2 coffee cup stickers left in this whole stack, and both of them were blue. And while that would match her jeans, I just feel like that's not going to go with the spread. But I did find some cute ones. I'm going to put some of these on here, I think. Maybe we should draw my boxes first. Maybe I'll do that. Okay, let's do a couple of scratchy, imperfect boxes. We'll do one up here. I guess I'll do a long one down here. I'm just going to do all the rest of the space with boxes, I guess. And we can decorate the boxes and decorate around them. There we go. I'm going to do one brown, one this sort of pink color, and then one green. But I want to be very careful about the green that I choose. I don't think I want this darker green. I think I want to find something closer to her sweater, but I don't want it to show up neon. So we'll do these and then I'll search for the perfect green. So this is Ohuhu paper-friendly marker number 49 in the color pecan or pecan, depending on how you say it, where you're from. No judgment either way. Tastes delicious. I don't care what you call them. Roast them, throw some cinnamon on them, turn them into a pie. It doesn't matter what you call them. Okay, so there's my first one. Then the second one. This is a Sharpie S note. This doesn't have a color number identifier or a name. It's just pinkish. And I've had these for so long, I don't remember even which pack they came out of. Like, I don't remember if there was a name for the S note pack. Sorry, not helpful. I do have them always linked on my Amazon though. All right, I think I've made my green decision, you guys. And I tested it on paper. It's called bronze green. It does show up a little bit more limey than whatever a bronze green would be. I would imagine it's like a green with a little bit of brown or copper in it, but I'm just gonna go with it. Yeah, it kind of matches her sweater. Not really. It's not so bad though. I'm all right with it. We can pull in this green and some other stickers, I guess. It'll be okay. It's fine. All right, time to go back in with a little bit more decorative, and then we'll switch back and forth to the functional. I'm gonna put this sweet little bunny right down here, and I'm gonna put this little vase or jug of flowers, I guess it is, up here in this box. Let's put some hearts with the girls and their sweet little dogs. All right, I'm going to put a little bit of greenery from that same Women's Empowerment sticker book. Always have Passion Planner linked with a discount code for you if you guys want to check out that sticker book. It's so awesome. It's so beautiful. This is my third copy of it, I think. So I pull from each of them, but I love it. Okay, let's put some more right down here. I really like this sticker that says bold is beautiful. I love the font. I love the shape of this sticker. We're going to put that right up there. Let's find something to put in this one. And then we'll do a little bit more over here to cover some things up and fill it in. I really love this little daisy sticker. So I'm going to put that right there. Or is this a sunflower? I think it might be a sunflower. I think I'm going to decorate up this green box a little bit with one of these pink-ish washi strips. Okay, so to make it easy on myself, I'm going to cover up this whole section down here. And I really like this sticker that says, reminder, visualize your highest self and start showing up as her. I'm going to put that right down here. I do want to use my best thing that happened box, so I'm going to leave that. But I'm going to put this right here, and then we're going to find a nice like floral sticker or something to put right here to cover that up. I'm going to go with this one. Okay, I'm going to put this right here. I'm gonna do this "You Are Enough" with the green box right here. Put some little yellow diamonds right there. You guys, I'm loving this so far. It's so sweet. It's coming together so easily. I think this is gonna be really, really fun and motivating to use for the next 4 days. All right, we gotta put this sweet little sun on here. I do need to cover this up. Up at the top here, the date, and then maybe the cover of the personal as well. But I do want to list out my game changer goals. Let's just cover it with this sticker that says wholesome. I love that one. Put some more greenery up at the top here to cover up the personal. I think I'm going to add a couple little cutesy things to this reminder box and then fill this all in. Not all of it. I'm going to fill it in as I go, but you know what I mean. Fill it up with the goals and the things that I need to fill it up with right now. You guys, this is so sweet. Oh my gosh, I love this so dang much. I think this is really going to encourage and inspire me as I work on my goals for the next 4 days. I'm going to go ahead and go in and fill in my goals. Running out of words. But you guys, you are more than welcome to join us over in the Facebook group Overly Hangouts if you want to hop on for Spring into Success. And then we've already begun the spring stay in, but there's still a lot of things that you can participate in. There's free printables, activities, all kinds of stuff. So come hang out with us over there. It's always a good time. I am going to fill in my goals right now and then come back and share with you. All right, you guys, there she is, all ready to get after it. I wrote spring stay in. I can't write the word in apparently. Spring stay in up at the top. I'm going to fix that. Here are my goals. I want to write 8,000 words in my novel, my work in progress, over the next 4 days. I want to walk 8 weighted incline miles on the treadmill. I'm trying to do some strength training and find a workout that's good for me. So we're going to start with that, see how that goes. I want to finish my washi tape organization project that I have been working on. I have washi tape piles. I just need to get it sorted. And then I want to finish one of the books that I'm reading. I'm reading 4 books at once. I want to get one of them finished and off my plate for my March reading goals. I did Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday over here just to write out my to-do lists and some tasks. And then I think in this box right here is where I am going to track my word count progress for my writing. In here, I'll just write how I did overall with my goals. Maybe some health things or just things to list out in the rest of these lines over here. And then in this spot right here, I may write some progress reports on the other projects that I was working on or something about my reading. But you guys, I love this spread and I'm so excited to get to work on my goals and get a good jump start on the spring season. Let me know if you guys have any spring goals, what you're up to, how you're going to be decorating your planners for spring, if you're working on a writing project or anything else. I'm so looking forward to catching up with you guys down in the comments below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this one. That is all for this one. I will see you in my next one. Tell your dog I said hi. Bye, guys.